welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Pão de Queijo. I once shared with you the recipe using Shiratamako glutinous rice flour, but I heard from some people that the flour is not available. So this time I decided to use ingredients available anywhere. It's very easy for kids to make. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Katakuriko potato starch or corn starch is okay. Add water and mix well. Add 1 egg, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then mix well with a whisk. Microwave for 1.5 minutes. Immediately add Parmesan cheese. The batter gets thick, so be careful when you mix. Quickly mix well with a spatula before it gets cold and thick. Put some oil on your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Then roll into small balls. Bake in toaster oven or oven for 15 minutes. And now it's done! Very chewy yet delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
よく食べてるね。
なんで足踏みしてんの？
だって大好き。
で、それちょっとうるさいから向こう持ってってくれる？
あとはとってもチーズがいっぱい入っててありがとう。じゃあずっとお願いします。また明日でバイバイ。
無理でしょ。高くよ。できた。